Argent LNG is shaking up the LNG export industry with a bold vision that places artificial intelligence, drones, and robotics at the heart of its upcoming project in Port Fourchon, Louisiana. This isn't just about upgrading technology, it's about completely transforming the way LNG facilities are constructed, operated, and maintained, which raises an important question. Could this become the new blueprint for the entire sector? The company revealed that their strategy blends cutting-edge automation with predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring systems. The primary goal here is to boost operational efficiency while significantly lowering risks, creating a safer and smarter facility overall. Imagine drones and robots carrying out inspections, handling maintenance tasks, and managing cargo operations. This not only speeds up processes, but also drastically reduces the need for human workers to enter potentially dangerous environments. What's particularly intriguing and possibly controversial is Argent LNG's claim that integrating AI will enable predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, and operational optimization. In practice, this means constantly tracking performance data to catch issues before they escalate and optimizing operations on the fly, which could lead to fewer shutdowns and improved reliability. But this raises a critical question. Can AI truly replace human judgment in such complex and high-stakes situations without sacrificing safety or quality? Argent LNG emphasizes that this approach aims to minimize human exposure to hazardous conditions, prioritizing both safety and efficiency equally. They foresee a facility capable of continuous monitoring and swift response to any unusual operational events, potentially setting a new industry benchmark. The company goes so far as to describe this initiative as a first-of-its-kind effort, applying AI, drones, and robotics specifically within an LNG export terminal. However, the company has yet to share more granular details regarding how this vision will be financed, the project's timeline, or the expected export capacity. This leaves many wondering how soon this ambitious plan will materialize, and whether other players in the LNG market will follow suit or challenge Argent LNG's vision. Is this a pioneering leap that will boost safety and efficiency across LNG facilities worldwide? Or are there hidden challenges and risks in relying so heavily on automation and AI? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree that technology like this is the future of LNG projects? Or do you think human expertise will always remain indispensable? Join the conversation and let us know your perspective.